horrible. This is making us sick. This is after the tiles are taken off. Here's some areas.
This is after the tiles were taken out. That's pure mold right there on the cracks there.
Everywhere.
He and I have been experiencing extreme gas and bloating which is from mold. This is bad. So we took all the tile off to
Okay, you should get out of here.
fix this. Come on, bud. Okay. Hand me the bird.